All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency, buying the cryptocurrency, staking the coin with cryptocurrency. There's even that one credit card BlockFi that you can actually get your rewards back in Bitcoin. Well, here's the thing. Today, we're actually talking about Bitcoin, and we're going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin Cash. So we're going to talk about the granddaddy of them all, the one and only Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. And anybody names it, that's the one you think of, and also Bitcoin Cash. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So one of our visions is to help every single person on the planet have some cryptocurrency one day. Bitcoin is basically doing well right now. It's over 55 some thousand right now. The numbers are going up, up, up. We're going to talk about that. Some people think the coin can actually go to 100,000. Some people think 80,000. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only on this channel. But Bitcoin has just been doing really well for the last few months. So let's go ahead, jump over to Bitcoin. So right over here at Coin Market, Bitcoin, as always, is at number one at $56,249. This coin is being traded at. In the last 7 days, it's up 9%, almost 10%. And number two is Ethereum. One of the things I always get asked is, will some coin one day take over Bitcoin? Where Bitcoin is number one, and then right now Ethereum's number two. Is there going to be coins that eventually surpass Bitcoin? Do me a favor and put in the comments below if you think Solana or ADA or any of these coins that we talk about, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, any coins we talk about, if you think one day they're going to be bigger than Bitcoin, tell me in the bottom what you think. For me, Burger King and McDonald's was the first one. They seem to still be the main one. For energy drinks, it was Red Bull that came out, and then Monster and Rockstar and everything. You still think of Red Bull. So I don't know. In my opinion, I think Bitcoin is always going to be the granddaddy of them all. But don't forget to tell us in the bottom what you think. So digging into this Bitcoin today and Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is at number 19, traded for $590 a coin. It's down about 0.5% in the last 7 days. It's down again about a 0.63, 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin Cash, now again, for Bitcoin being traded at 56,200 and Bitcoin Cash being traded at $590. Way big difference. Why is that? Well, Bitcoin seems to be more of a holding coin. A lot of people want to hold their Bitcoin, where Bitcoin Cash seems to be more of a spending and people are using it. Think of it this way. If you had $56,000 in one coin and you're going to spend $30 here and $20 there and $5 here, why take it from the big 56,000 when you can use the Bitcoin Cash? So Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, they both have they sound like they're the same. They're actually not. Bitcoin is a coin and a cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin Cash is a coin and a cryptocurrency. Have a lot of new viewers on this channel, so again, just helping out with that. A lot of people are investing in the coin. Again, back in, let's go ahead and jump over to Robinhood so I can show you this. All right, so we're over here at Robinhood and we're on Bitcoin. Right now, you can see that it's trading at 56,200. What I want to do is I want to go back 3 months ago. So 3 months ago, right here in July 19th, Bitcoin was at $30,000. And I was talking about, actually when Bitcoin went over 40,000, I made a big deal that, Bitcoin crossed over 40. But Bitcoin was at $30,000 in July, August, September, October. I mean, not too long ago, 3 months ago. Okay, and what is it doing right now? It's at 56. Okay, so this would have definitely been a good time to get into Bitcoin. So now what a lot of people are asking is, do you think it's going to go higher? Well, take a look in the last week here. I mean, down here it was at 51,000, and now it's actually kind of leveling off at 54 and 55,000. The key thing is, again, you want to pay attention to Bitcoin. I do believe that as everything goes up, Bitcoin goes up with it, and everything goes down. Again, I just kind of wanted to feature Bitcoin. Couple things about Bitcoin. Everybody who accepts cryptocurrency, of course, is going to accept the Bitcoin. Anybody who's getting into cryptocurrency is going to think about the first time buying Bitcoin. Now, they're not going to probably buy the whole coin. They may buy $100 or $1,000 or whatever their number is, but they're still going to get a portion of the Bitcoin. Jumping over to Bitcoin Cash. All right, we're over here at Bitcoin Cash. It's at $590. It's being traded at. Let's take a look 3 months ago. Also, 3 months ago, the coin was at $398. We actually talked about this about a week or two ago when basically it was under 500. I was talking about this particular time when it was 398. So Bitcoin Cash, as you see, I always talk about it's like a bobber. Whatever Bitcoin does, the market follows with it. And when Bitcoin comes down, so notice that 2-3 months ago I showed you the Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash, the number's a lot lower. What is Bitcoin Cash doing today? That's right, 590. Okay, so things are definitely going good. Again, Bitcoin Cash here in the last 7 days is basically 0.06 up a little bit. So everything that I'm going to show you here, I thought this was a nice article. Nicholas Children's Hospital Foundation is among the first in South Florida to accept cryptocurrency donations. So this is a really nice thing. So the hospital is going to accept cryptocurrency donations. Okay, so it says here, Nicholas Hospital's Foundation is among the first nonprofit and believed to be the first healthcare foundation in South Florida to begin accepting cryptocurrency donations. In addition, it says, what are the coins that they're accepting? It says right here, Nicholas Children's Hospital Foundation will accept, and it's always the same. The first thing is Bitcoin. Then there's Ethereum. Now, the thing is, I talk a lot about the AMP coin. Take a look at AMP right here. AMP is actually the third coin listed, and then, of course, you have your Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin and AMP token and Ethereum are all going to be accepted as a donation from Nicholas Children's Hospital. And then right there, take a look at this picture here. You got Bitcoin in the middle. You got Ethereum to the right. You got Ethereum to the left. You got a little Litecoin right here, which is nice. And then you got some Bitcoin and some Bitcoin. Okay, you got 3 Bitcoins and you got 2 Ethereum. So pretty cool. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. So jumping over here, I thought this was big. 5 countries will accept Bitcoin as legal tender by the end of next year, says BitMEX CEO. So Bitcoin is going to be accepted in 5 countries. By the end of next year, at least 5 countries will have accepted Bitcoin as legal tender. The CEO of cryptocurrency exchange BitMEX has predicted. He cites 3 key reasons why he arrived at this conclusion. So we're going to kind of dig into this. My prediction is that by the end of next year, we'll have at least 5 countries that accept Bitcoin as legal tender. All of them are developing countries. Here is why I think the developing countries will jump into the cryptocurrency in 2022. The first, it says, is made up of 23% of El Salvador. We already know that they actually just accepted Bitcoin as legal tender. So that's pretty big. Citing the data of the World Bank. He added that the low and middle income countries receive about 75% of the total global remittances of $540 billion in remittances, reaching a low and a middle income countries of the 2020. This money has got to find a way home somehow. But the current system of remittance leads to money service providing like Western Union. So again, they're having a problem with all this. So guess what? When they start using Bitcoin, right here, Bitcoin fixes this. With the cap supply of 21 million, and developed countries and or people are noticing. The third factor is politics. He explained that many politicians or rulers are skilled and savvy. They're interested in positioning themselves in the progressive, populist, and the new age thinking. Again, the new age thinking, guess what? Cryptocurrency is here to stay. That's why you want to tune into this channel. That's why you want to like the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Don't forget to basically tell all your friends about this, because we're going to make sure everybody on this planet knows about cryptocurrency. Decided to switch it up today and talk about Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So it says right here, do you agree that with the CEO, do you think that 5 countries will basically be accepting Bitcoin as this legal tender? Make sure you put it in the comments section below. All right, so here we go. We got BlockFi. And this is how, if you want to get some Bitcoin and not buy it and not mine it, here's how you can get some Bitcoin. It says, earn an unlimited 1.5% back in Bitcoin. Introducing BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card. No annual fees, no foreseen transaction fees. See if you're pre-approved with no impact on your credit. It says one card, more Bitcoin. So first of all, during the first 3 months, you get 3.5% during the first 3 months. After that, you get 1.5% back on all purchases, 2% back on 50K of annual spending, and 0.25% on eligible trades. It says get started. Watch and learn. So let's go ahead and play this for everybody.
Introducing the world's first Bitcoin rewards credit card. No fees for using the card, just earn Bitcoin. Earn Bitcoin back on every purchase. Invest in Bitcoin, the best performing asset of the decade with the swipe of a card. Plus, some extra perks. See if you're pre-approved with no impact to your credit. Start earning the smartest rewards on the planet.
So there you go. Basically, with the best cryptocurrency on the planet, I think this is pretty neat that you go ahead and get your Chipotle's, you go ahead and you get your Applebee's, and you get your groceries. Some people get their credit card, they pay it all off at the end of the month. You know, it's a very good thing. And guess what? You get your rewards back in Bitcoin. Pretty big. So with that, the BlockFi credit card, mine the coin, buy the coin, stake the coin. But you know what? By using the credit card, you can actually get your rewards back in Bitcoin. So check out BlockFi credit card. Maybe something for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So again, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, the granddaddy of them all. And Bitcoin Cash, a lot of people buy the Bitcoin and they hold it. They're not necessarily using it. You hear a lot of investors say that they want to buy it and see what it does in 5 years and stuff like that. So a lot of times Bitcoin seems to be more of a holding. They're holding the coin, where Bitcoin Cash is more of they're using it more often. It's being used. But that hospital, it's of course going to set the donations in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum and AM token. So, I mean, there's all kinds of things. There are a couple other cryptocurrencies too. So it's also nice that anytime 5 new countries they're predicting are going to accept Bitcoin as its legal tender. El Salvador, just a month ago, basically has now made Bitcoin legal tender. So more and more things are making Bitcoin. It's talked about in the news. It's talked about in the newspaper. It's on the internet. It's not going anywhere. So with that, make sure you share this video with your friends. We bring you a video Monday through Friday every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays, we're bringing you a video between 3 and 4 o'clock. Share this with your friends. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And you know what, everybody? You have an awesome day today.